So we ended with finding the first HTTP event in the list. So we click here, it appears, and we need to find export our OCI model and outbound video details. The numbered inverse it's a TCP source port and destination port and so on information. So that's all we need to find here, and we need to find the TCP last event. So it's here, and we need to highlight the force, which is also source port and destination port, and it asks needs to transport TCP is to transport data, so that's all.